Hello, my hungry friends.
Hi!
We've screwed up.
We have underestimated our abilities.
And the power of you.
yeah, and the awesomeness of you guys.
We've been working really hard trying to get these shipments out. And we appreciate all the orders, and we're just overwhelmed with...
Two 14-hour days so far since we got the books. We got the books on the 23rd, and we've had 14-hour days to ship books.
So, just
Bear with us, be patient.
again, we're asking for your patience. And we're working really hard to get these out to you as soon as possible. We're having, we have some help from some friends, and my mom's here feeding us.
Mama! Say hi!
So they're coming,
As fast as we can get them.
and if you have to wait a few more days, please.
We're sorry. We're sorry. But we're working on it. Thank you, guys. We gotta get back to work. Bye!